VRCM Skywarn, Central Missouri region. That's right, daily brief. Something like that. We do it, right? In a bridge somewhere during tornado season, right? This tornado sirens just went off, and I had to get up in here. I don't know. It's kind of afraid to take a look. I'm in my spot where I go to hide out when the shit hits the fan. And my battery's about to be dead because I was asleep. I was caught slipping. It's real quiet. The siren's been going off for the last 30 minutes. So this is where I usually go to spot too. So I'm under this big old iron railroad bridge, and the wind blows this way. So I'm usually up under it. I'm pretty safe most of the time, and this gives me a good place to look. But we got a big lightning bolt over there, and it was over there. So I seen the wall cloud earlier. And it dumped a bunch of rain, and one big clap of lightning like that. That was really close.